Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change font size on Snapchat. So if you want to change font size on Snapchat while uploading your story on Snapchat, so what you have to do is, first of all, just go into your Snapchat account and you will see like this. Now I'm going to upload a story like this. Now here you will see the text and choose font style from here, and I want to write hi guys. So now if I want to change the font size, now you have to use your both thumb on the screen and just in and out like this. So like this you can change font size, you can make it smaller and make it bigger. So like this you can change font size on Snapchat. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.